Okay, so if you're in Google Forms and you go to create a question, I'm going to say really basic. What note is this? Quarter note, half note, whole rest. So I'm going to go over to this little picture icon. And I'm going to search. I'm going to go to Google Image Search since I don't necessarily have anything on my drive that works. So let's put in quarter note. All right, so I can pick any of these. And I hit insert. So now this is what they see. It's gigantic. Oh yes, I can resize it. Resize that so it's not quite so overpowering. So now you have an individual note. There you go. Hope that helps.